My kids are the fourth. Grandpa bought it back in the 30s. 75 acres. You guys want to guess how much?
Per acre?
Yeah, and it came with that. There's a little house there. No running water, electricity back then.
I don't even want
There was a dirt road here. It wasn't.
25 bucks? 50
Oh
bucks?
wow, you were the first person to underguess. $500.
That's why I had no idea. I had a feeling I was going to underguess by a lot.
Per acre or total?
Per acre.
Total.
Oh, total. I see.
Oh, you were doing 25 an acre.
Yeah.
Well, then you were way off. It's only $50 an acre. Oh, sorry, it was only $500 for all of it.
$500 for all of it. Dude. Now, when was the last time you had animals on this paddock right here? Because
it's been over 2 months, so it's been over 60 days.
Because I know you recently had a video sharing on talking on rotating animals.
Yeah.
It's more about the land and rest.
It is, which in the end ministers to the cow even more. So if you look right here, this is textbook ready. If you take a patch of clover or something and say how much of it has gone to seed, maybe a little more, but 20% of it has gone to seed, that's the deal time to hit it. I got some of those seeds on the ground. It loses its protein once it's gone to seed. It becomes more of a starch or a fiber as opposed to a protein.
And then in terms of just managing the grasslands, especially since this has been in your family for multiple generations, how do you even go about, improving the soil and the types of grasses, and how do you even go about all of that?
Yeah, the mass improvement is just moving them. We're so hardcore about that. When we traveled America in 2017, we had perimeter fences. We could have just put our cows in a field and had somebody look at them once a day. But we had been rotationally grazing, meaning they hit this, they move, and then this can recover. Okay, and they hit these. We didn't have clover like this when we first started doing this, because if you just left them in here, they're gonna go and murder this clover. They're gonna eat it, they're gonna go away, go eat some more somewhere else, and it's gonna start to grow back, and they're gonna come eat it again, and it's gonna kill it.
Yeah.
You can't be eating it while it's wanting to grow. We don't do anything. We don't put down lime, we don't put down any seed, nothing. Only if we expand, say we're going to go expand into this forest, we might take some pigs in there first to help underbrush it and till it up a little bit, and then we might throw some a pasture seed mix.
And then in terms of, because it's kind of hard from the camera to show just how steep these hills are, does that change how that could affect just the soil at all, from even just like weather?
Yeah. Permaculture, I come from permaculture. It'll tell you not to graze anything over 20%. This is about 30%. But I don't know if they're thinking about rotationally grazing. I've found that even at this 30, 35 degree slope, because they aren't continually on it, if they're continually on it, they're gonna mow it down to the ground, and you're gonna start seeing erosion, and they're gonna mow it down to the ground. Oh, they're gonna damage it with their hooves, just over tract it. But if you keep moving, I've noticed that the good stuff just starts coming back. And here we haven't been grazing this as long as we've been grazing below you. And you can pan to it later with your camera. Below us, it looks like a manicured, treated field.
Yeah.
Because mow it with the cows, mow it with the sheep. They're eating they're eating this. There's a multiflora rose. There was 20 times this much in this paddock just last time. And cows don't like that. This is a bane of a lot of farmers' existence around here, but not mine. I look at that and say, hey, that's sheep food. Bring them on.
Why is that typically an issue for a lot of farmers? Just because you said,
well, cows won't eat it.
Yeah.
And so it's gonna come up with this horse nettle and stuff like that and dominate. And then if we're feeling saucy after the sheep, we'll come in and mow it. Dennis at Full Circle Farm taught me that's the cheapest fertilizer you can do. Cheapest, most
mowing it?
natural is just mow the grass.
How does that fertilize it?
Well, it's going to chop it up fine. It's going to, and so that's going to be an organic, more quickly processed organic matter on top of the soil as opposed to it just falling over and dying. It's quicker. And then for me too, it'll come hit this horse nettle. We're giving them their coffee this morning.
What's all in there?
Are y'all addicted to coffee?
Yeah.
Okay. Hopefully you had your coffee before you came, huh? Or do you need to make us? We need to make you coffee.
So you're actually putting interesting.
No, this is not coffee.
Okay, I was like, wait.
This is.
I thought
You know how coffee is the legal drug?
I thought you were about to have some esoteric wisdom on coffee and these pellets.
Coffee is the legal drug in America,
Oh, definitely.
and I guess this alfalfa is the equivalent. See how nuts they're going?